Welcome to Performance Unlimited. We are a custom engine building facility. What we're going to show you here today is one of our Chevy engines. This happens to be a Chevy stroker going into a 1932 Ford Coupe. So all you guys looking for Ford Chevy engines for your Ford Coupes, this is one replica piece that we can show you right here. This gentleman happened to choose orange with the black valve covers and a black timing cover. This motor finishes up really gorgeous. I'm going to put the air cleaner on for a second and show you what a beautiful piece this is with the black and the orange. Really nice. I'm going to fire this up and we're going to give you a run demonstration. .383 stroker. Fire this up again. Notice the throttle response in our engines. You just don't get lucky doing that. This is what you call a fine-tuned proper cam combination for the motor. This is 450 horsepower and this thing idles. I can dial that thing down if I want, but notice how easy it goes up. It comes right back down. Very stable. All of our engines. Look at our videos. Compare our engine videos to all these other engine builders out there. We build some fabulous motors for people all over the world. We can ship anywhere. So again, remember, Proformance Unlimited. There is no other. We're going to fire this up one more time. If there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. Thank you for logging on.